Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. Today we have a double-sided sticky kit. So this is how the kit will come. And I'm not sure why I'm stuck. There we go. Whoops. All right, let's open this up. And I'll put these on here. Okay, that's all of them. So this is the kit for this week. So we have 10 of these red circles, and they will kind of sometimes stick to each other, whatever, in shipping, because you know, they're in there and they do touch each other. So there are 10 of these, approximately between 3.5 and 3 3/4 inch circles, and these are gray, I think. Let's see. Nope, these are black inside. Okay, so there are 10 of those. There are 10 of the frame ones. I got everything that they had this time of these frame ones and split them between the kits. So I don't, you know, like sometimes you never know if they're going to get more or not. But these ones have a little frame around the outside. They've got 4 little sticky circles, and then they've got the inside piece here. And with these ones, and you've probably seen all of this before, but I'm just going to show you some of the things you can do with it because maybe someone hasn't seen this kit before. So this is the inside part, just the inside, not the frame. And then I just used a sewing tracing wheel to do that. Put a little mark dent in the circles to make it look like a little screw, and used eye makeup to cover the different color circles. So, and then usually I spray a sealer on there. By the looks of it, I haven't sprayed this one. It doesn't come all the way off, but if you don't put some kind of a sealer, you will get the sparklies on your hand. So that's what I do with those. With the circles, I just make, at this time of year, I'm constantly making Christmas cards and Christmas things. And then there's 10 of these, and I really honestly don't know, like, what these were, but these are very thin, kind of, I believe that they're see-through. Yeah, they are. They're like clear tape, like clear double-sided tape. So you take off both sides, and there are 10 of those. There are 3 of the large double-sided stickies, and see, this does have a little bit of a dent in it. They kind of come that way, and this one was dented where this was sitting on top of it. But normally if you let them set, they will puff back up again. You know, there's not necessarily a guarantee that that will happen, but that's what I've done before, is I just kind of let them set. This one, and just give it a bit of a massage or something, and sometimes I'll even set it, like with this side down that's wrinkly, set it and put a book on top of it, just to kind of like hold the whole thing down and let that kind of relax towards the bottom. So, but there are 3 of those, and then there are 20 of these circles, and these are approximately 1.5 inch circles. There are 40 of these, and these are, I think I've got one right here. These are black inside, I'm pretty sure. Yep, these are black inside. These ones are really, I think these are like super sticky. Not sure, but the way that the sticky comes off. But all of them are really pretty sticky because these are factory cutoffs. So, you know, the factories are making something. This is their leftovers, and they give them to the recycle store. And so, you know, whatever they're making, they want to stick well. So there is a package of 40 of those. There are 25 of the little 1 inch circles. Again, all of this is double-sided sticky. There are 16 of this shape, and these are gray inside. And all of these, except for this white one right here, which is completely flat, they all have some depth to them. Different sizes of depth, but they all have a bit of depth. And then there are 12 of the larger rectangles. So, and then there is a bag. I did count one bag of these. All I did with these was I just took this little bag, stuffed in as many as I could, and sealed it up. So I counted one bag of them. It had 185. So, altogether, this kit has 146 plus whatever is in this bag. So there's approximately 300 pieces in this kit because there's probably at least 154 in there. Like I said, I counted 185. So this is what we have in this kit. And then the different things that you can do with some of these in the kit. I just kind of wanted to show you the circles, any of the circles. Now, this is a very flat circle. There are none of those in this kit, but you can do it with, you know, this size circle. But I usually, when I show you the ones I've showed you before, it had glitter on it. This one has, what do you call it? Eyeshadow. This one has eyeshadow or mica powder. You know, just a nice, has a nice sheen to it. And this is a plaque that you can either hang it up or you can set it up on your mantle. But I love the way that these turn out. And on this one, I actually cut shapes out of the, let's see here. I cut some shapes so that, I don't know if you can see it or not, but see, it has actual like little lines in it. And the way that I did that was I just took the circle off and then I just cut it. Let's cut that piece off, and I'm going to cut a little strip out of there. And then I'm just going to put it back on there. And then I'm going to take this piece and put it back on here and leave that little strip off. And you don't have to do it perfectly. Nobody's going to know. And I'm going to just cut, let's see. Yeah, I'll do it like that. And maybe cut just a little tiny thin strip there. And then this one, maybe cut it over here. So this one goes here. And then this one goes here. Cut that off. And doing this in a hurry doesn't make it perfect, but you do that. And then you just take your eyeshadow, whatever color that you like, and just go ahead and just put it on there, and that sticky just grabs right a hold of it. And you can do this on both sides, or obviously, like what I like to do is I like to do it on one side, and then I take it and I glue it, you know, take this off and stick it on whatever it is that I'm making. So then when you take these off, let's do 3 colors on this one. So let's put some purple up here. And once you have it covered with sticky, it doesn't really mix too much. You know, it pretty much, I mean, I guess if your colors were really different, it would. But you can kind of go over it a little bit and it doesn't hurt anything. You want to kind of try and stay where you want to be, but just get that one covered. And then to really show some contrast, we'll put a little bit of blue on this one. It keeps sticking to my fingers. I don't remember what color blue I used. Oh, I like this one. This one's more turquoisey. And there we go. Now we have the difference there, and you can just take a Kleenex and kind of wipe it off a little bit. And then if your sides are sticky, which these ones are not, but sometimes they are, then you can just take this and run it along the side to make that sticky go away and to give yourself a little color on the side. And even though it's not super sticky, it is still keeping that color on there. So I'll finish the whole thing so that whatever I put it on, if you see the sides, you'll see the makeup and not the black. There. There we go. And then I would just take that and I would stick it on whatever it is that I'm making by peeling off this back side. And if you have a problem getting these off, use your little pokey tool to help you, because they are, you know, pretty well stuck. But then I would just stick that to something. I may go in and, you know, do something else on here. I might draw on there. I might stamp on there or something like that before I put it on a project, because it didn't turn out the most beautiful thing. But that is how you can do the circles. So again, this kit has 146 large pieces plus the smaller ones, which make it total up to a little over 300. And if you are interested in this kit, it is $20, PayPal only, USA only. And send me an email. My email address will be below. And if you are interested, just send me an email. First come, first serve. I have 5 kits this week. Today, my husband has minor surgery, so I probably will not get back to you till this afternoon. Don't pay until I've told you that you do have a kit, and then if you would pay as promptly as you can. But like I said, I won't be getting back with you promptly, so just when you get a chance, if you could pay within 24 hours, would be fine. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this kit, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.